That truck's running good. Hasn't been cranked in a couple of weeks. That boot got to be replaced ASAP. Once the mud and sand gets in there, it's going to be bad. And that cover's got to be put back on. It's sitting in the back seat. I got to order 2 front soft brake lines for this. 2 years of 4-wheeling was enough to mess them up, I guess. It's the last thing left. This is new. That's not new. But that's new. I really hope it ain't the booster. This old motor runs good. General Motors replaced it 7 years ago. It's got 76,000 miles on it. Now they replaced it 8 years ago. But 3 of those years it just sat. Occasionally getting cranked and moved around the yard. It has become the storage locker since I'm driving the car. It's all my detail and stuff. Well, a portion of it. The rest of it's in a bag. What do you think about it, sis? We'll see.